Welcome to our channel, where we show you how to make the crispiest and cheesiest onion rings in just 5 minutes. In this ultimate guide to perfect onion rings, we'll take you through each step, sharing our secrets to achieving that mouth-watering crunch and gooey cheese pull. Follow along as we share our tried and tested recipe, from slicing the onions to creating a flavor-packed batter and achieving that perfect golden brown fry. We'll even reveal a special ingredient that takes these onion rings to the next level of deliciousness. Whether you're a novice in the kitchen or a seasoned pro, our step-by-step instructions and helpful tips will ensure you nail these onion rings every time. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this crowd-pleasing snack that's perfect for parties, game nights, or whenever those onion ring cravings hit. Watch the video now and become an onion ring master in no time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes and cooking tips. Hit that notification bell to stay updated whenever we release a new video. Get ready to indulge in the ultimate crispy, cheesy goodness of our 5-minute onion rings.